Hello dear students of 12th class. I am Pardeep Kaur, lecturer in chemistry, and I am here with the same unit which we have learned, which we have started a week ago, that is P block elements. And in the last lecture we had discussed some rules to draw the electron dot structures of oxides of nitrogen, and then we had practiced to draw electron dot structure and molecular structure of one of the oxides of nitrogen, that was N2O. Today we will draw electron dot structures of other oxides of nitrogen. So let me first tell you that we have so many oxides. Say these: N2O, NO, this is nitric oxide, this is nitrous oxide, this is nitrogen dioxide, this is nitrogen trioxide, then we have nitrogen tetraoxide, N2O4, and then we have nitrogen pentoxide. We have drawn the electron dot structure of this oxide, that is nitrous oxide. Today we shall be drawing the electron dot structures and molecular structures of other oxides of nitrogen. Let me take this one, that is nitric oxide. Now, following those rules which we have already discussed, the first point was that what we do, we identify the central atom, and while identifying the central atom, we should know that we have to choose one of these atoms, and one of these atoms can be nitrogen. Why nitrogen? Because nitrogen is less electronegative. So less electronegative element or atom, that is chosen as the central atom. So central atom will be nitrogen here, and the terminal will be oxygen. Now first point is gone. Then second point is, this is NO. Number of valence electron. It has 5 valence electron, plus oxygen has 6 valence electron. So how many valence electron? 11. So we have 11 valence electron available for drawing electron dot structure. Now before moving further, let me here tell you that how to find number of bonds. Number of bonds, you know, we have 2 atoms here. For 2 atoms to complete their octet, we will multiply it by 8, we will get 16. Difference will be 16 minus 11. If we divide this difference by 2, we will get number of bonds. So it will be 16 minus 11, that is 5. 5 upon 2. Now, since this is odd number, so we have to convert it into even. We will, if this is 5, we will convert it into 4. 4 by 2. So we will have 2 bonds. So we will have total 2 bonds in it. So what we do, we will first link them by a single covalent bond, like this. Now we will complete the octet of the terminal atom. Now the terminal is oxygen. So let me complete its octet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these 2, that is 8. Now we can complete. Now let me see whether the this octet of nitrogen has been completed. No, it has got only 2 electrons. So to complete the octet, we will have to do like this: 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now see, how many bonds have been formed? Only 1. How many bonds should have been formed? 2. So we will do one thing. We will shift these 2 electrons here in the form of bond. Now let us see, 2 plus 2, 4, and these 4, 8, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, but this, so we will have to do like this. Let us place it here and shift these 2 here. Now let us see, all these have completed their octets. Now let us see how many electrons are here. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus these 2, 14. We have only 11 valence electrons here. So this is the wrong structure. So let me complete its structure like this now. NO, double covalent bond. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 2 plus 2. This will be the structure of NO. Now moving to NO2. In NO2, the central atom will be N, like this. Then we will have two terminal oxygen atoms. We will link these by two single covalent bonds. Now let us see how many electrons, valence electrons are available. 5, and here 6 multiplied by 2. So it will be 5 plus 12, that is 17. Divide it, let us convert it into even, that is 16. Divided by 2. Difference, no, we have 5 plus 12 valence electrons, that is 17. Now to complete octet, we have 3 atoms here, 2 of this and 1 of nitrogen. So 3 into 8 will be 24. Let us calculate difference. Difference will be 24 minus 17, that is 7. Let us convert it into even. It will be 6. 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. So how many bonds will be there? There should be 3 bonds. 2 bonds have already been placed there. So 1 bond will be placed now. Now coming to, let us complete their octet. First, the terminal oxygen atoms. It has 2 already. 2, 2, 2. Now completing the octet of this. 2, 2, and 2. 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Coming to central, this atom. 2 plus 2, 4. Now first let us see how many electrons have been consumed. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So all electrons have been consumed. So now what we will do, how bonds will be completed. Now it has 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Let us change this here. Now 6 plus 2, we can shift this also here. Now see, this nitrogen has 6, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So this is, it has completed its octet. Similarly, this has 6 plus 2, 8. It has 6 plus 2, 8. So all atoms have completed their octet. So it can be one of the structures of nitrogen dioxide. We can shift this triple bond from here to here also. Then this will go to there. So it is one of the structures of nitrogen dioxide. Now coming to the electron dot structure of nitrogen trioxide, N2O3. Now as far as central metal atom is concerned, it is again nitrogen. 2 nitrogen atoms here. Then we have 3 oxygen atoms, 1, 2 and 1 here, like this. So let us calculate number of valence electron first. N2O3, it will be 5 into 2 plus 6 into 3, it will give you 10 plus 18, that is 28. So 28 electrons are available for a bond formation, or which are to be consumed while drawing the electron dot structure of N2O3. Now let us calculate number of these bonds. We have N2O3. So we have 5 atoms, 3 these and these 2. 5 into 8 to complete their octet. 40. Difference will be 40 minus 28, that is 12. Let us divide it by 2. So it will be 6. So we will have total of 6 bonds in this. How many bonds are here this time? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will have 2 more bonds. So to have those 2 more bonds, let us complete their octet. And we will begin from where? We will begin from terminal. This is terminal, this is terminal, this is terminal. Now see, let us go to this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and through 2 these. So it is octet, it has completed octet. Similarly here 2, 4, 6 and this 8. Now let us complete its octet. 6 and these 2, 8. Coming to this nitrogen now. This nitrogen had 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Now let us first count number of electrons which we have consumed. We have 28 available. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 20 and 6, 26, 26 and 6. So we have exceeded the number of electrons. So we can't go like that. So let us change. Now let us first count how many electrons are available. We have 28 electrons. These are valence electrons that are available. That is this 10 plus 18. Now see how many have been consumed. 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 and 8, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 22, 24 and 26. We have 2 more electrons at our disposal. Let us place them somewhere, and this nitrogen has, so let us place them here somewhere. Now to complete the octet, what we will do, it has 2 plus 2 plus 2. We will shift these 2 electrons here in the form of bond. Now let us see whether this nitrogen has completed the octet. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. It has completed it also. And so has this oxygen atom. And what about this? 2, 4, 6, and yes, it has also come. Coming to this, it has completed. Now finally we have to move to this nitrogen atom. It has 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So we will do what? We will shift these 2 electrons here in the form of this bond. So it can be one of the structures of nitrogen trioxide. Now you can count the number of bonds. You will find that there will be 6 bonds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the structure, the electron dot structure of nitrogen trioxide. Similarly, we can draw electron dot structure of N2O4. How many nitrogen atoms? 2. How many oxygen atoms? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygen, 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 oxygen. Let us calculate number of valence electron available in N2O4. Nitrogen has 5 valence electron multiplied by 2 atoms, plus 6 for oxygen multiplied by 4. So it will be 10 plus 24, that is 34. We will have 34 electrons at our disposal for drawing the electron dot structure of N2O4. Now let us find how many bonds should be there. For calculating that, we have N2O4. How many these atoms? 6. 4 plus 2, 6. To complete their this octet, multiply it by 8. We will get 48. So difference will be 48 minus 34. That is 14. So we will divide this by 2, we will get 7. So we will have how many bonds? We will have 7 bonds here. Now let us first see how many bonds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 more bonds can be placed there. So let us complete the octet of terminal oxygen atoms. Now please remember that we have 34 electrons at our disposal. This time how many electrons have been consumed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twos are 10. 10 have already been consumed in these bonds, in these 5 single bonds. Now we have 24 electrons at our disposal. So we have to consume those 24 to complete the octet of these all atoms. So first coming to this, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6 and these 2, 6 and these 2. Similarly here, 6 and 2, 6 and 2. Now let us count how many electrons have been consumed. 5 in the shape of these 5 twos are 10, 10 and 6, 16, 16 and 6, 22, 22 and 6, 22 and 6, 28, 28 and 6, 34. We have consumed all the electrons that were available. So now let us see whether the central atom, the other 2 atoms have been have they completed their octet or not. Let us see. This nitrogen atom has 2, 2, 2. So it has 6. It hasn't completed its octet. So how can it complete its octet? Let us shift these 2 electrons from here to here in the form of bond. Now see, 4 plus 2, these and 2, this has completed its octet. Now coming to this 2, 2, 2, 6. It again requires 2. So let us shift these 2 here in the form of bond. Let us count number of bonds. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 and 7. So this can be one of the structures of nitrogen trioxide. We can shift this oxygen here. We can change this structure. For example, this double bond, it can go here and this single here. Then this single here and this double here. It can be one of the another resonating structure of N2O4. And now finally coming to the last oxide of nitrogen, that is nitrogen pentoxide. How many nitrogen atoms we have? 2. So let us, and how many oxygen atoms we have to link to these? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let us place one oxygen here like this. This can be the structure. Now let us count number of electrons, valence electrons in N2O5. 5. Each nitrogen has 5 valence electron multiplied by 2. Plus each oxygen has 6 valence electron multiplied by 5, since there are 5 oxygen atoms. So it will be 10 plus 30, that is 40. So we have 40 electrons at our disposal to draw the electron dot structure of N2O5. Let us count how many bonds should be there, how many bonds should be involved. To do so, we have N2O5. How many atoms these are? 2 of nitrogen and 5 of oxygen. 5 plus 2, 7. In order to complete their octet, we will multiply by it 8. 8 means octet. It will get we will get 56. Let us find the difference of these two. 56 minus 40, it will be 16. Let us divide this by 2, we will get 8. So how many bonds should be there in the structure of N2O5? 8 bonds. How many bonds we have this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can have 2 more bonds. So before before putting those 2 bonds somewhere, let us complete the octet of terminal oxygen atom. First this. Please remember, we have 40 electrons at our disposal. How many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 electrons have already been consumed in these bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of when we will subtract 12 from this, we will have 28. So we have 28 electrons left to make these other atoms stable. So starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 10 more. 20, 22, 24. Now coming to this. 24. Now it has 2 plus 2, 4. 24 plus 2. 28. 26. 2 more here. Now all electrons have been consumed. All 28, these 40 electrons have been consumed. Let us count whether all have been consumed or not. 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 16. 16 plus 4. Now let me again count here. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18, 20, 22, 24, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. One electron pair can be placed somewhere to make them, let us see, what about this nitrogen atom? 2 plus 2 plus 2, we can place 2 here. So that 40 electrons are consumed. Now let us see whether all these atoms have become stable or not. Now see, it has 2 plus 2. Let me again count whether we have consumed 40 or not. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus these 6, 16. 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 30, 32, 34, 36, 38 and 42. We have 42. So we have consumed two more electrons. So let us remove these two. Now, this has been stabilized. This has been stabilized. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. What about this nitrogen atom? It has 2 here and 2 here. That is 4. It is not stable. So how we can make it stable? We will shift these 2 electrons here. Now it will become stable. Coming to this oxygen, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, this is stable. What about this? Whether it has completed its octet 2, 2, 2, 6. So it requires 2 more. Let us shift these 2 or these 2 here. Let me shift these 2 in the form of bond. This can be one of the structures of N2O5. We can shift these double bond from here to here and single here. Then we can do the same thing here. This can be another resonating structure of nitrogen pentoxide. Similarly, we can practice on all these oxides of nitrogen to draw their electron dot structures. And this is all for today. Thank you very much.